Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Google AI Studio. So Google AI Studio is a real-time assistant that tells you whatever you want to ask it. You can share your real-time video, your screen, and it will tell you where you are, and if you ask it to anything, it will answer it. For now, we don't have any specific app for Google AI Studio. Therefore, you have to go to the browser and search for Google AI Studio. You will get its link. Simply open it up and just simply log in with your account. And then simply get agree to their terms and condition and click on I accept. Now you have to click on the three lines and click on this stream option. This is the first option. Through this you can share your real-time camera and you can use your mic to ask anything, like you turn on the camera, and if you want to know about anything you don't know that is in front of you, show it through the video and ask it what it is and it will answer. If you don't want to use the mic, you can also type it. So here I'm just gonna show it to this thing. This is a building. I'm gonna ask it what it is, and after that it will answer. To ask it, either you can use your mic or you can also write at the moment. So I'm gonna ask it about this location and let's see if it answers or not. So here it has answered me in the form of text and also it has speak. So it gives you answer in both, like it talks to you and also it gives you the written answer. You can also use your drive and upload anything or like any sort of file to ask it. Other than that, if you want to make something, let's say like you have ingredients but you are not sure what can be created with it, so you just simply turn on your camera and show it your ingredients and ask like what you can make out of it and it will answer to you. Same way you can just simply give it any sort of instructions, like you have got something and it has instructions on it, you just simply show to it and it will answer to you. So the best thing about is that it gives you real time answers. Other than the stream option, we have this chat option, which is the chat board, like we have chat gpt and any other AI assistant. You ask to anything and it will answer. So it takes a little bit time than usual, like few seconds in generating the answer, but the answer that it creates is very much accurate and in depth. The accuracy is very great, but it takes a little bit more time than usual. Other than that, these options you can see, you can upload these files and can share the links through which you can also have a conversation about it. If you want to generate any sort of video or image, you can also go for it. There are different side of models. You can just simply check them out. Whatever you want to use, click onto it and then simply give it your prompt. You can also speak at the moment, like you can use your mic and tell what you want to create, or you can just simply use your keyboard to describe your prompt. Give it the prompt and within few seconds it will generate a video or the image, whatever you have asked for it. If you want to create an app or ask it for any sort of coding, there are different models through which you can create apps. You can ask it for coding, you can create website and other stuff. So that is all about the Google AI Studio. These are the few features that I have shared. You once use it and you will get to know more about it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.